Jason. They made it through.
Does anything go that way, or is it just dead end?
What's that?
Does anything go that way, or is it just dead end?
I think it just dumps out on the other side of this.
Okay.
There is a lot of passage in here.
You good?
Yeah. I just letting them.
Okay, they're up there. Does everybody get through there?
Yeah.
All right.
Everybody, right? Everybody got their buddy? Yeah. You don't hear anybody else down there, so.
Is that where they
That's where they came from, yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'm gonna try to get up in front.
All right.
Okay, we got everybody. All right. Okay, let's make a hole so I can get up front, okay?
Yeah.
Let him get up front. Let him get up front.
I'm just trying to like push more.
Just
Go on the wall. Guys,
Yeah,
wait.
there.
Jack, watch out. Grace, watch out. Do you take left or right?
Whichever way. Oh!
Sorry.
Scooch in.
Where are you going? Are we supposed to go down there?
Getting bit by a bat does not change. Sorry.
Like a person. No, come back up. Sorry, sir.
Come back up.
Okay, the next one's a little bit tough.
But
Going on there.
I need somebody who's going to be in charge. All right. Down here,
Yeah.
you see that hole?
Yeah.
Triangular hole,
What hole?
right there?
I see it.
That's what you're going to go through.
Okay.
Guys, please listen.
I'll go next man.
Okay. Okay, then what?
I'm waiting for these guys to listen.
Guys, shut up.
All right, we're going to go down there. There's a triangular hole. You have to be on your side to squeeze through there. Okay? You don't have to do this one if you don't want to. There's an easy walking passage. But you could go through there and drop down. It drops down about 2 feet. Okay? Once you go through there,
What's the triangle? Which one?
once you go through there, there's 1, 2, 3, 3 ways out, and one that's a dead, and one additional one that's a dead end. Okay? So the odds are you're going to find the way to get out. Okay?
Could you say that again?
So there are 3 ways out, and there's one that's just a dead end.
Okay.
So
That's not including how you're going in.
Okay.
Okay? You got to stay with your group, keep your group together, and take care of each other. Okay? Climbing down here gets a little bit sketchy. So you want to spot the person who's behind you. Take care of the person behind you. Okay? Yeah.
Could we go that way? The other walking message.
Yeah,
Is that the easy way?
that's the easy way.
All right.
Okay? So you guys, you gotta do this together as a team.
Where is I'm losing my balance.
Is that all?
Go.
Go on, leader.
I guess I have to do this.
Easy.
I'll go.
Good?
Don't
I'm fine, just scrape my leg a bit.
Oh my god.
Oh, man.
It is slick. So now turn around and watch the guy behind you. And help him.
Good, good.
Take care of everybody.
My jacket's right here. Hey.
Take your time.
Where's the triangle?
Huh?
The triangle.
The what?
You said there was a triangle.
Can I turn around and watch?
A triangular hole. Right, down that way. That's where we're going. Once you get down there, turn around and take care of the person behind you.
Rick, are you good?
Yes?
Don't fall.
Don't fall. When is that a pause? Yes.
You mind if I go first?
Yes. I'm letting you go first. I'm letting everyone go first.
Rick, you go.
Keep your feet out in front of you.
Ease your responsibility.
Sure. Rhoda, look behind you.
Try to remember when you're climbing down, you want your arms down to reach.
Be careful on the flick cross.
Careful.
And try to keep it like grab the handle.
That's it. Turn around and take care of the person behind you.
Sure.
Turn around and take care of the person behind you.
You're good.
Wow. What a big cave. What a massive cave.
You want to hold it?
Oh no, you're good.
Can I sit here?
Good boys?
How?
You're fine, bro. I'm good, bro.
Cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Cheese.
Take your time going down there. Let's not crowd up here, guys, okay? Give plenty of room.
Yeah, make.
Everybody's gonna have a chance. Yeah, when you get down there, turn around and take care of the person behind you.
Okay, right here, his responsibility.
Okay, where do I put my foot?
Come up there.
Alright, so I'll be in front of you.
Keep your feet out in front of you.
I'll be in front of you. I'll be in front
Try
of
to be careful.
Both feet in front of you.
you. You don't want to cut the line. Breaker, stop.
Guys, you're bunching up too much. You need to back up and give him some room, okay?
Yes.
You're crowding him.
Crowding, don't do that.
Alright.
That's it. Hands down low to hold yourself.
They did that.
That's it.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Now turn around and take care of the person coming down.
Please come down.
Breaker, you gotta let go.
Okay, so put your foot right there.
I want to step on your finger, bro.
Now, put your hand right there.
Get both feet out in front. That's it.
Breaker's gonna have to.
Yeah. Don't worry. He's his responsibility, and then you're the guy who's behind you's responsibility, and then he's my responsibility, and then I'm my business.
Okay. Don't crowd up on him. Okay? Give him some room.
Put your hand.
That's it.
And then just walk here. Okay, so basically what you do, if you want to just
Okay.
put your foot back here,
How are they doing getting through the hole?
and then you,
The guy
yes,
behind
and then I gotta move. So right, move forward. I gotta let you go down. Alright, and then put your foot. Okay, put your foot down here and go down. Oh my god, there's a cross face. Oh my god. And then also put your hand there.
Don't go down my crossface.
Put your hand there, and then like no.
I think-
this foot now.
I think that might be either the easy way or the hard way. So, what you do, you make sure you have to get in that position, so you can't. So,
And then you help back.
I don't think I got it. I think I got it.
Okay, don't go down yet until he's done.
And then help the other
No
Why does
clouding.
this look like iron?
No clouding.
I don't know.
Okay. Put your foot right here. Right here.
Look at me back. See back? Back.
Wow, so that's a big ball. What? For 2 feet.
Don't worry, I won't get wet.
You're doing good.
Wait for that. Now,
You gotta reach down more. Your hands are up too high. They're gonna hold you up. Okay, yeah. Put this hand down here. Down there. Okay, now
you look at yourself.
put that right hand down further. See that ledge right there, right there.
Yeah, put your foot
There.
there.
There. Now get your feet. Yeah, that's it. Get your feet out in front of you. That's it. That's it. Now turn around and help the guy behind you.
Careful, bro. Nowhere, just put hold on to this ledge and then make sure you don't.
Yeah, just sit down there. Got your hands here. One hand here. One hand there on that rock. There.
You're not gonna fall.
When your hands are up high and behind you, you can't go forward. That's it.
Whoa! What in the world do we got? Like, yeah, this is where most people actually beat their dudes. So
There we go. Yeah, now turn around and take care of the person behind you.
Can we fit through here?
it's a little bad.
It's a little tight.
So you had another route?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna take it. You can go look at it if you want.
I'm good.
Yeah, go down there and then hang a right when you can. I'm just gonna stay here till they get a little get in. That's it. You gotta be on your side when you're going through that hole.
What do you want me to do?
Put your feet there. And now kind of wiggle yourself out.
Bro, this is too much for me, bro.
Turn yourself like,
Oh my god.
not turn yourself. Yes. You know how I did it? I turned.
Yeah.
You alright, Ethan?
I got trapped here, so like.
If you don't want to do it, just come back out.
I think he's going.
Well, I'm about to get stuck here and die, bro. Like.
You're worrying too much. There you go, you got it. There you go.
Good, thank God.
See, you got it.
Alright. Whoa! Like.
Hey guys, a little bit of help.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Not you. Yell to them to help him.
I could see the floor. Wait, no.
Hey, guys, help Alex out.
Yo. Ethan!
Come on, help the person behind you.
Ethan.
Oh, shit. I have no idea what the floor is. Feet first. Turn. And where's the floor? Yo, you're pulling. I can't. My hand is above my head.
Someone come up here and help me, please, bro. Can you go any farther? There. Then I gotta help him.
We might need to get somebody a little bigger. You good, Johnny?
Yeah.
They're doing good. This age group is hard to get the teamwork going. The volunteer.
Well, most of them have been together since like 3rd grade.
Cool.
The older ones anyway. A couple of the younger ones have been around obviously less, but the listening is the issue.
Yeah, always. There he goes. Very good. Now find your way out. There's a hole there.
Yeah, it's just right here.
All right. Head down there.
We couldn't find.
Up through there.
We're just gonna make a right, hang out down here.
We went all the way to the end. We couldn't get to them.
They have to come up to you.
Oh, okay.
We kind of go down and we just wait down there until they start showing up. You see their lights
We
coming.
see, but I don't know how we get to them.
No, he said they have to come to us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're too big to get to them.
I mean, if you want to get to them, you can try.
No, thanks.
I'm not saying you're not.
We can have more kids.
You're not allowed.
Well, I think nature's stopping us.
You always buy them.
Yeah.